Welcome to Moms BabyCare, your home for parenting joy.
Welcome to Moms BabyCare, your guide to gentle parenting and baby care. Let's grow together.
Every day with your baby is a beautiful journey that starts with a gentle morning wake-up. A quick change and some morning smiles set the tone for a happy, healthy day. Bath time is about more than just getting clean. It's a sensory experience for your little one. Using gentle, tear-free soap ensures their delicate skin stays soft and protected. Play and development go hand in hand as they explore new textures and colors. Encouraging their natural curiosity helps build the foundations for future milestones. As the day winds down, a calm evening feeding helps transition to a restful night. A snug swaddle provides that extra sense of security and comfort they need. Finally, it's time for sleep, rounding off a day filled with love and care. Sweet dreams, little one. We'll start it all over again tomorrow.
That's all for today. Good night and sweet dreams.
Don't forget to subscribe to Moms BabyCare.